Hello everyone. Let's solve this vertical arrangement set. Before watching the solution of the video, I want you to pause it and try this set on your own. Put a timer while solving it. I hope you have solved this set. Let's begin the solution. So in this set, there is given that there are 7 people, J2P, living in this 8 floors building. Since there are 7 floors, 7 people and 8 floors, there has to be one vacant floor, which is given over here. Now there is a condition given with the vacant floor that there is a floor on which no one lives and is neither at the top nor at the bottom. So the vacant floor cannot come at the 8th floor nor at the first floor. And it is given that the bottom floor is numbered as 1. So like this, I have made this vertical arrangement. And each of these people like these games. Okay, so this is data that is given in this sentence, in this paragraph. Let's read the next paragraph. 3 people, a 3 person live between the floors on which K and the one who likes archery lives. So there is a statement with K and archery. Okay. Besides that statement, there is another statement related to K. So we will read that statement also because there must be some connection with K and K. So the next statement says, neither K nor the one who likes archery. Oh, again archery, same parameter is coming. Neither K nor the one who likes archery lives on the either the top floor nor at the bottom floor. Okay. Again, I am seeing one more statement with K and archery. Neither K nor the one who likes archery lives immediately above or immediately below the vacant floor. So from these 3 statements, what I get that there are 3 people between K and the one who likes archery. K and archery is not at the top floor nor at the bottom floor, and they are not adjacent to the vacant floor. Up till here, we have found this data. Now let's place this thing in our order, vertical order. So what are the here it can be either K or archery or archery or K, like this. So what are the possibilities that can come over here? If I'm putting K or archery over here, it can be either of this. And let me have a gap of 3, 1, 2, 3. Then archery and K will come over here, archery or K. Okay, now let's put the vacant floor. I know the vacant floor cannot come at the top nor at the bottom, and it should not be adjacent to this K and archery. So the only possibility of vacant floor is this. But the problem with this structure is when I'm putting vacant floor over here, there will be 2 persons sitting at 6th floor and 4th floor. But we want 3 persons living between them. So this condition, this case is not satisfying and it is violating the condition. So we will not put like this. K and archery will not come at 7th floor and 3rd floor respectively. And one more thing that we can deduce from this is if I'm leaving one floor, that is the top floor, and then I'm putting K or archery, and then we are having a gap of 3, then again archery or K, then this case is violating the condition. Similarly, if I see from the bottom, if I'm leaving this blank, this is the second case, then K or archery, then a blank of 3, then archery or K. Then also this case will violate the condition. So we will never put K and archery like this. So the only possibility that can come with K and archery is, let me erase this thing. Only 2 possibility will come, huh? And that will be K or archery, and there will be a 4 gap and then archery or K. There will be only one possibility. 1, 2, 3, and there will be a vacant floor in between them. Okay. So this is the only possibility that can come with K and archery. It is satisfying everything that K and archery. There are three people in between them, and there will be one vacant floor, and it is not coming at the top floor nor at the bottom floor, and vacant floor is also not at the top floor nor at the bottom floor, and vacant floor will be somewhere in between. Will be either 4 or either 5. It should not be adjacent to K or archery. So we have now two conditions with vacant floor. It can either be at fifth floor or at fourth floor. So we will see that thing later. Let's read further. The floor on which the one who likes diving, let me erase this part. The floor on which the one who likes diving lives is 2 floors below the vacant floor. So vacant is here, and the person who likes diving lives over here. And he doesn't live adjacent to the archery. Okay, the diving guy doesn't live adjacent to archery. I know vacant floor will come over here or here, and he doesn't live adjacent to archery. Okay, I can again see a diving wala person. Okay, so we will read this statement also. The floor on which the person who likes diving lives above the floor on which K lives. Okay, so vacant diving, and there will be somewhere below K. This is given over here. The floor on which the person who likes diving lives above K. Okay, so this is uh, the data that I have. Now let's place the diving guy so with respect to the vacant one. So if I put vacant over here, okay, the diving guy will come over here. But the problem is either over here there will be archery or K, and diving should be above K. So it is not satisfying this condition. So the vacant place will not come over here, and the only position where vacant place can come is this one. Vacant, then over here diving, and K will come over here. Below diving there will be K. If K is over here, then the person who likes archery will come at the 7th floor. So we have got this much data. Now the question will be easy. Set will be easy now. P likes badminton and he doesn't live on even numbered floor, which means P lives on an odd numbered floor. P likes badminton. So P cannot come at 7th position, cannot come at 5th position, cannot come at 3rd position. So the only possibility is 1st position, P and badminton. Neither N nor J likes fencing or archery. There is another statement with N and J. N and J live on adjacent floor. So N and J lives on adjacent floor. They will come together. If I and neither of them likes archery or fencing. So the only possibilities, and there are a couple of possibilities, J and N will come over here, but as it is said that J and N doesn't like archery, so N and J will not come over here. Similarly, N and J will not come over here. Same reason. So the only possibility where where we can place N and J is this N slash J, J slash N. Okay. So we have reached up till here, sorry. The floor on which the person who likes cycling lives is immediately above M. So cycling guy is living immediately above M. If I'm placing M over here, then cycling will not come over here because there is archery. So the only possibility is M and cycling. Okay. Neither L nor the one who likes hockey lives adjacent to a vacant floor. So L doesn't live adjacent to vacant floor. So L will not come over here. L will come over here. L is not adjacent to the vacant floor. And the only person that is left is O. And there's one more thing. The person who likes neither L nor the one who likes hockey lives adjacent to the vacant floor. So the hockey guy will not come over here adjacent to vacant floor. Similarly, it will not come over here. So the only possibility is 2nd floor. Hockey guy will come over here. Next, N doesn't live on the odd floor, which means N lives on an even floor. N lives on an even floor, that is 4, and J lives on the odd floor. And one data that we left earlier is neither N nor J likes archery or fencing. N doesn't like fencing. So fencing will come over here and N will like golf. The only left out sports. So this is the final answer of this set. I hope you have enjoyed this solution. And if you are a CET aspirant and looking for a CET course, then you can check out our course. The link of our website is given in the description below. Kindly go to it. And thank you for watching this video. I wish you a very good luck for your examinations.